The third law, make it easy. How to make good habits inevitable and bad habits impossible. In 1830, Victor Hugo, a writer, was facing an impossible deadline. But he spent his time entertaining guests and delaying his work. He made a strange plan, asked his assistant to lock all his clothes. He only had a shawl, so he couldn't go out. He remained in his study all the time, writing away. Fortunately, The Hunchback of Notre Dame was published 2 weeks before its deadline. So Victor Hugo succeeded. Commitment device. Make your bad habits procrastination more difficult. A choice you make in the present to control your actions in the future is a commitment device. Ask to be banned in online poker sites, casinos to reduce gambling, purchase food in smaller amounts to reduce overeating, turn off your adapter at 10 p.m. so you don't have internet and you fix your bedtime. How to automate habits. John Henry Patterson was born in 1944. He had a store. At that time, receipts were kept open. In an open drawer, no video cameras to review behavior, so there was high chance for theft, and he was finding to have great losses. A fellow resident, James Ritty, designed the incorruptible cashier, which was the first cash register. The machine automatically locked the cash and the receipts inside after each transaction. Employee theft at his store vanished overnight. His business went from losing money to making $5,000 of profit per day. Lock in good habits. The brilliance of the cash machine was that it made stealing impossible and ethical behavior automated. Technology can be used to make annoying, hard behavior into easy, painless ones. Prescriptions can be automatically refilled. Employees can automatically save for retirement. Meal delivery can be done for grocery shopping. Social media browsing can be cut with website blockers. One-time actions that can lock good habits. An example, buy a water filter to clean drinking water. Use smaller plates to reduce calories. Remove television from your bedroom for better sleep hygiene. Unsubscribing from emails. Deleting games and social media apps on your phone. To improve your general health, buying good shoes, an ergonomic chair. For your finances, enroll in automatic saving plan. Chapter summary. An inversion of third law of behavior change is to make it more difficult. A commitment device is a choice that you make in the present to make your behavior better in the future. Best way to lock future behavior is to automate. Buying better mattress or enrolling in a saving plan automates your habits to ensure better returns in the future. Using technology to automate behavior is a reliable way to ensure right behavior.